Hey, it's Eric Miller, Chief Advisor at Econologics Financial Advisors. You know that we are on a mission, that we want to help as many private practice owners as we possibly can achieve financial freedom. And if you're watching this, guess what? You're one of those people. And you've likely had some success or a lot of success in working with us, either through our training, either through our planning, our financial guidance, and you've seen an improvement in your financial condition. And you know how important it is to make sure that your finances are certain and that you know that you're on the right path. And we want to make sure as many people in your industries get that help. So you know who we work with: physical therapists, veterinarians, chiropractors, dentists, and optometrists. Those are the 5 types of practitioners that we work with. So if you have a colleague, if you have a friend, if you're part of an association that you can refer someone to, it would really help us to try to build our tribe and help as many of these practice owners as possible. Because the more people that we help financially, the more people that they can help in their practice. And I think that's a win-win for everybody. Now, to make it easy on you, because I know that your days are busy and you're trying to run a business, we actually created a video that you can simply forward to whoever you want to refer us to that will explain a little bit about what we do and the people we help. So we'll make it easy on you to be able to do that, but I can definitely use your help. I want to thank you in advance for doing so, and I'll see you down the line.